I'm sure your father has told you stories about what happened to me when I was a young girl.
He says you don't really like to talk about it.
I don't. But now, I think, for your sake, I must. I didn't even know his name. We all just called him Toto, which means crab, because of how he walked. The truth is, I didn't think about him at all.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait
Sara?
more for
Excuse me.
Oh God, what is he doing? Is he coming over here?
I saw this on your desk. I figured you must have dropped it.
Nothing prepared me for
You're welcome.
what the privilege of being yours would do.
Why do people hate us so much?
Not all people.
If I had only
You need to remember that.
the warmth within your touch. If I had only seen how you smile when
You'll be safe in the barn.
or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough.
It's okay.
I would have known
You're safe now.
what I was
There is one thing
living
though.
for.
Maybe call me by my real name instead of Toto.
But I've been
It's
living
Julien. Thank you, Julien.
Your love is my turning page. Only the sweetest words remain.
Being so nice to me. I was never very nice to you. These my friends certainly were.
Kisses a curse.
Yes, I misfelt you.
Every touch
I know.
is a redefined phrase.
I was anxious about leaving for Switzerland. I knew I would miss those evenings with Julien. It was as if we had created our own little world. Even as the world outside grew darker and darker.
Your fragile heart.
It was Julien's nightly visits that sustained me. When kindness can cost you your life, it becomes like a mirror. I began to see Julien as more than my rescuer, or even my friend.
I've been living.
He was my light.
There's something I'm going to say, and I feel like if I don't do it now, then I'll never be able. I want you to know that in the future that I see for myself. Well, you're a part of it, and I'm wondering if maybe...
Yes.
I haven't even asked the question yet.
I know the answer. Yes. I used to be afraid of the night. But now I see it as my time for listening to the soul of the world tell me its secret over and over, like a song. You love Julien. You love Julien. Yes, I answer. I know. I love Julien.
And maybe he would say he loved me too.
I love you, Sara.
Bring kingdoms to their knees.
Hatred is not normal. Cruelty is not normal.
My bad.
Love is normal. Kindness is normal.